Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to disable autoplay videos on Pinterest using your PC. This feature can sometimes be distracting, so turning it off can enhance your browsing experience. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Pinterest website. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the Pinterest homepage, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon represents the settings menu. Click on the gear icon and a menu will pop up. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your Pinterest experience. Next, in the left-hand sidebar, find and click on Social Permissions. This section allows you to manage how Pinterest interacts with your social media accounts and other preferences. Now, scroll down until you locate the option for autoplay videos. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. To disable autoplay, simply click on this toggle so that it turns off. This action will prevent videos from automatically playing as you scroll through your feed. After making this change, don't forget to save your settings. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the page and click it to ensure your preferences are updated. And that's it. You've successfully disabled autoplay videos on Pinterest. Now you can enjoy a more streamlined browsing experience without unexpected video interruptions. If you ever want to re-enable this feature, just follow these same steps and toggle the autoplay option back on. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might appreciate a quieter Pinterest experience. Happy pinning!